Hello everyone, welcome to the Economist Diary in week 2. I am Olivia. In this video, I'm going to talk about what had happened in the last week, what has the Federal Reserve announced, the real CPE released, and so on. If you are interested in this video, please keep on watching it, and let's get started. Last week, the United States raised a meeting. Undoubtedly, the Federal Reserve increased the interest rate by 0.25 BP. Currently, the interest rate is 5.5%. To reach CPI of 3%, interest rates in the United States are likely to remain at the high level of 5.5%, or even raise interest rate again in September. Additionally, we can predict how will interest rates go by tracking all the data that are going to be released. For example, the non-farm payroll in Friday this week. According to the real CPE released last Friday, the CPE is a measure of the spending on goods and services by people of the United States, which measures the price changes and the view of inflation. The real CPE should be around 2%, and if it is above 2%, the Federal Reserve may establish a contradictory monetary policy. However, the real CPE in June is 4.1, although it has decreased by 0.5 compared to the previous month, and is 0.1 below the prediction. Still, the index suggests that people in the United States have very strong purchasing power. Also, the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index in July is 71.6. This index is a monthly survey of how consumers feel about the economy, personal finances, business, and buying conditions. From the graph, we can see that it has increased significantly over the past few months. And considering the GDP in the second quarter as well, it is 2.4%. 0.4% greater than the previous month. Overall, we could see that although some of the data compared to before has contracted, but they all remain high or even reached a higher level, indicating that the economy is very strong with both high demand and supply within the country. The inflation is hard to decline, and therefore the interest rates are going to increase or stay the same if the upcoming data is going to enhance the economy. Lastly, I would like to discuss another reason why inflation is hard to decrease in the United States. It is because the United States have a low unemployment rate. As the 15th of July, the number of continuing claims for unemployment benefits was 1,690,000. This demonstrates that many people have jobs, so that people have disposable income to spend on, resulting in strong purchasing power in the society. And that is why the demand of goods and services is very large, and the inflation maybe occur. Okay, that is the end of this video. Hope you guys will like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comments below. I will bring up the latest news in the next week. So see you next week.